guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do an eyeshadow tutorial. I actually did it before I filmed to practice. It's a little bit of like a St. Patty's Day look. A little green, a little gold, a little, you know, something, something. So if you are interested to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. We're just jumping right in. I did do a little layer of foundation and my eyebrows off camera because ain't nobody got time for that. I also like to do my foundation first. Unpopular opinion, I think, but that's, you know, whatever. Neither here nor there. We are going to start by prepping the eye with some concealer. You can use eyeshadow primer if you want. I like concealer. We're using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer today. And then blending it out with a beauty sponge, nothing fancy. And we are not setting that, we're just gonna put the eyeshadow right on top of it. I am using the BH Cosmetics Sweet Shop Pistachio palette and the e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadow palette in Hot Jalapeno today. They're both green eyeshadow palettes. So first I'm going to go into the BH Cosmetics Pistachio palette. This is the one that we're primarily going to be working out of. We're only using the Bite Size palette for the gold. But I am first going to go in to this Guilty Pleasure color, which is like a light green. And I'm putting that a little bit above my crease, and I'm using a Morphe small rounded blender brush. Then to blend that out, I am taking Soft Serve, which is this like light lime color, on a Wet n Wild crease brush. And I am just gently going over top of the Guilty Pleasure and blending it up towards my eyebrow. If you have to go back in with your Guilty Pleasure brush, go back and just blend a little bit together. Since they're kind of like two different color greens or two different tones of green, sometimes they just need a little bit extra, you know, like help blending. Next, I'm going into Nutty, which is this like lighter muted Kelly green color. And I am taking a Morphe E17 just for reference. It's like a tapered blender brush on the smaller side. And I am just gently going on the inner corner, outer corner, and a little bit below my crease to kind of create a halo outline, but this isn't like a true halo. Blend that out with some Guilty Pleasure, that like light minty color. Then go into your e.l.f. Bite Size Jalapeno palette. And I'm just going to take the gold shade on my finger and I'm just going to press that in the middle. Again, this isn't like a very defined halo. It's kind of like a blended halo, if you will, or like a little pop of color, a little like, you know, pop of gold or like pot of gold in the middle. My eye shape, which is like more on the hooded side because I have this fold in my eye, halos are really, really difficult for me to pull off, and a lot of people with hooded eyes have a really hard time with halos. However, I really like the look of them and I kind of like the effect. So this like softer blended out kind of halo just works a little bit better for my eye shape. So just take it. And I'm just dabbing it on my eyelid. I'm not even taking it up into the crease or anything, just on my eyelid, because when I blink, it'll kind of like blend and transfer itself. Then take the brush that you used with Nutty and blend the Nutty shade and the gold together just on the edges. I did put some black eyeliner down. I did not do a wing, but I did the black eyeliner to kind of like help conceal my lash line because that's just how I like to wear my eyes. You don't actually have to put eyeliner down on this. I just think it helps to kind of like give a much more defined look. So I'm going in with the NYX Epic Ink liner pen and I'm just doing a thin black line to help with concealing the lash line and giving it a little bit more of a bold look on my upper lash line. Alright, I'm going to quickly go off camera and finish the rest of my face to finish the lower lash line and lashes. Okay, so to finish the eye, I already laid my concealer and everything down because, you know, did that off camera. I'm going to go into the Guilty Pleasure color, which is this like minty color. I'm going to lay that on my lower lash line, and then I'm going to buff it out with Soft Serve. And I'm just using the same brushes that I used on the lid because I want it to be really like non-defined, if you will. I don't want to say smoky, but smoky. My under eyes are so crusty. Blend that out. Then going in the waterline with a little bit of this LA Girl Shockwave Neon Liner in Gotcha, which is this like lime green. And you can't really see it, but it does make a little difference. Mascara, using the Trestique Good Vibes mascara that comes with a built-in lash curler. You guys, we have this technology. Why aren't we all using it? Just saying. I oftentimes forget to curl my lashes because I don't know where my lash curler is, and it's like one extra step that I'd have to do. Before I put my lashes on, I am going to highlight my inner corner and brow bone, and I'm using Sweet Life, which is this like lime shimmery color from the Pistachio palette. Then add lashes, which I am using these Ayani 3D Faux Mink lashes. They're from the Dollar Tree in Wispy Natural. And that's it. That's the look. What do we think? Do we love it? Do we hate it? Would you wear it? I think it's like a fun, simple, easy St. Patty's Day look. I mean, I would also wear this not on St. Patty's Day because I like colorful wearable eyeshadow. But if you guys are like looking to wear green eyeshadow and it not to be like dark or too bright, or like you want it to look, you know, like wearable, I think this is like a cute little look. You could also probably do this with just this jalapeno eyeshadow palette. This is $3. The Sweet Shop Pistachio palette I think is only available online, and it's $18, although you guys, it's worth it because these eyeshadows are amazing. I love them. It's like one of my new favorite palettes, and I know you think green, where am I going to wear that all the time? But listen, y'all need to inject a little bit of bright colors into your eyeshadow. I'm telling you, it's okay. You'll live. Just like step away from the neutrals. It's okay. It's okay to wear bright colors in everyday life. I promise you. Promise. So, I will link all of the products that I use down in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video or this look, give this video a big old thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comment section below. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.